Good morning, boys and girls. Mr. Lennar is back again, and today we are going to say that Happy New Year, and I'm hoping that you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bienvenidos todos. Hoy les quiero desear un buen feliz año nuevo, una Navidad. Ojalá que todos tuvieran una buena festividades. Okay, today's objectives, students will be able to identify points, lines, line segments, and arrays using a graphic organizer. So let's begin. First thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this into thirds. Vamos a doblar esto en tercios. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to fold this into four parts. Vamos a doblarlos en cuadros. Open it up, lo abrimos, and then you're going to trace it. We're going to do the parallel lines first. Oops. Okay, and then we're going to do two parallel lines that are perpendicular. And we'll learn about this week. Okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a title. These are going to be geometric vocabulary. And the first thing we're going to write up here is, I'm going to write it very, very small. It's going to be the term. Okay? The next section is going to be the definition. And the last one is going to be the picture. Oy, that one's a little messed up. That's supposed to be an E. Más que. It didn't come out right. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are going to start with the first one, and the first one is going to be a point. Okay? The term is point. Okay, la palabra es un punto. And a point is an exact location. An exact location. Un punto es una locación exacta. And it looks something like this. That's a point. And that's the location where A is. That variable A. All right, the next one, I'm going to change colors. Okay, I'm going to go with green. I'm going to draw a line. I know you boys and girls, you guys are probably saying, oh, that's an easy one. But in geometry, a line looks different. A line is an endless point in both directions. So I'm going to write endless and less. That's a compound word. Endless point in both directions. Una línea son dos puntos que no terminan en las dos direcciones. And I'm going to draw that. And I'm going to put some variables on it. Okay? So this is a point with a line. Since it's a line, it isn't endless. So it never ends. So we're going to make two little arrows like that. Okay? That is a line. It has two endless points. That means they keep going all the way out. Okay? And we're going to put a variable. Since the top one is A, we're going to label this one B. And this one, C. Okay, next one, I'm going to change colors again. I'm going to try this purple color. We're going to do, vamos a cambiar de colores. Let's do a line segment. A line segment is part of a line with two endpoints. Okay, so it is part of a line with two end points. Okay, a line segment. So it is part of a line. So we know a line is like this, like the top one, right? So it's going to be, es parte de una línea, es como la que está aquí igual, pero tiene dos puntos. Okay? It is not endless. This one's endless because it has a little arrow. It keeps going, never ends. But a part is part of a line with two end points. So this one does end. So we're going to draw two end points. And this, my friends, is a line segment. We're going to label it. Vamos a poner, escribir, we're going to write variables, variables. So this one's A, B, C, D, and E. Why do they have these points with letters with variables on it? Well, it's easier to identify. This is point A. This is line BC. This is line segment DE. So we won't make mistakes. All right, another color, another color. We have blue. Let me see if I got, I think this is like, I don't know. This is like a purple color, like a light, I don't know. I think the other one was blue. Yeah, the other one was blue, I'm sorry. This is purple here. All right, so vamos a hacer la última. La última va a ser Ray. Yo tengo un amigo que se llama Ray. Okay, Ray is one endpoint and one endless line. Okay, so this one has one endpoint and one endless line. One end point and let me see if I can fit it, and one endless line. So the ray is a mixture of the line and the line segment. So el rayo es un mixto de una línea y un segmento de línea. Okay? So let's start. So we're going to start with a point. We're going to make a line, and then it's going to be looking like that. It almost looks like an arrow. So now we have A, B, C, D, E. What comes next, boys and girls? If you said F, oops, that's the ugly F, and G, you were correct. All right, boys and girls, you must do this in order for you to know what these are. We are going to make through this week, so please keep up with it, and we're going to work on some more geometry. So remember, boys, stay fantastic. Boys and girls, stay fantastic today, tomorrow, and forever.